When people talk about improving AI accuracy, the conversation often starts with retrieval. Systems like Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, are designed to pull in relevant information and ground AI responses in real sources. And when attribution errors occur, the next solution often proposed is explainability. If AI can explain where an answer came from, shouldn't that solve the problem? But AI can confidently explain an answer and still attribute it to the wrong source. A response may include reasoning, context, and even references, yet still misidentify which agency issued the original statement. The explanation sounds complete. The attribution is still incorrect. Explainability is designed to make AI outputs more transparent. It helps describe how a system arrived at an answer, what information it used, how it combined signals, and why it produced a particular response. This is valuable for auditing and oversight, but explainability does not change the clarity of the information being interpreted. AI systems do not retrieve perfectly labeled, unambiguous records. They retrieve information from environments where multiple sources repeat the same statement, authority is implied, rather than explicitly defined, timestamps are inconsistent or missing, jurisdiction is not clearly structured. When those conditions exist, attribution becomes inferential. Explainability does not resolve that. It simply explains how the system arrived at its conclusion, even if that conclusion is based on overlapping or ambiguous signals. An unclear input produces a clear explanation of an incorrect attribution. This means the problem is not a lack of explanation. It is a lack of explicit structure before retrieval occurs. If the system cannot reliably distinguish who issued a statement at the moment it is retrieved, no explanation can correct that ambiguity after the fact. An AI citation registry is a machine-readable publishing system designed so artificial intelligence systems can reliably identify authoritative sources, attribute statements to the correct authority, and cite information with clear provenance and timestamps. It does not make AI more explainable. It makes the underlying signals unambiguous. Instead of relying on interpretation, it provides structured records that explicitly define authority, timing, and scope. Explainability improves transparency. But transparency does not create clarity. Attribution depends on whether authority is defined before the system interprets the information. As AI systems continue to rely on retrieval, the structure of what is retrieved, not the explanation of how it was used, determines whether attribution is correct. Thank you for watching our Why Explainability Does Not Fix AI Attribution video. This video is part of an educational series produced by Agistry exploring how retrieval and explainability interact, and why attribution depends on how information is structured before either applies.